Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So today's video is a maple sage breakfast sausage recipe that I make. Now I've shown you this kind of in brief in a prep with me video, not in detail, so I'm doing it in this video so it's easier to search and so you have it as a standalone recipe. We like this, everyone in the house likes this breakfast sausage. They like it better than my standard breakfast sausage with the breakfast sausage seasoning that I make. It comes together so fast, it takes less than 5 minutes to actually put the meat mixture together, and then it takes about 20 to 30 minutes in the oven, but that's kind of downtime. You can make it ahead. It's great for batch cooking. I often will make a couple cookie sheets of that, have it in the fridge, and then it's great for breakfast or even lunches or snacks. The guys can put it on bagels or whatever and have bagel sandwiches. I just eat it. I do eat a little rice these days, so I eat it with rice, or I eat it just in a cassava tortilla. You've seen me do that in a what I eat in a day video, or I just eat it alongside vegetables or salad or whatever. So it's a great protein source. It's really tasty. We all really like it, so I hope that you will too. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everyone, I am back with a taste test of the maple sage breakfast sausages. These sausages are great. We make these probably 2 to 3 times a month as a prep item. They're great for freezing. They stay in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. The guys like them on like a gluten-free bagel for a bagel sandwich. I eat them on cassava tortillas or on the coconut-free bread that I make. I'll make the rounds and you can make a sandwich out of that. I eat them just plain alongside sweet potatoes or with vegetables or just by themselves as a snack sometimes. I actually, while I have the breakfast sausage blend, it's a more savory blend, that kind of seasoning blend in my seasonings video. It's much more savory. These are much more of a sweet pork sausage, breakfast sausage, which I actually really like, a sweet pork breakfast sausage. So I like that savory sausage for things like the breakfast burritos, or if I'm doing like a hash with sweet potatoes and I'm kind of doing it all together. I really like the savory. For just eating straight up, I like the sweet. So I'll give you a taste test here. Here we go. That's what they look like. I really like these. They come together super fast. I hope you guys will try them. Let me know if you like them, or if there's other combinations that you're kind of missing or thinking about. We can give it a try in the little test kitchen here. So anyway, I hope you like these as much as we do, and we'll just see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.